Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. I have noticed a common problem of watermark. Whenever we download or pick images from any site, they seem quite full of watermarks. But don't worry guys, AI Tech is here to solve your problems. In today's content, I am going to learn you how to remove a watermark from an image with the help of artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. First, open the Google tab and type watermarkremover.io. Click on the first link and open the website. Sign up your Google account, upload your watermarked picture. After processing, see the magic.